If you trade Nasdaq or ES, especially if you're trading on prop firms, it's super important that you guys have your risk management down. These markets move extremely fast, and if you're day trading like myself on a 1 to 3 minute time frame, it's very difficult to calculate your position size within the span of a few seconds. This was a huge issue for myself and so many people that I've seen when they start trading, because they could be using a profitable system, a profitable strategy, but due to inconsistent sizing and poor risk management, they end up blowing their accounts, losing their fundeds, when in reality, this is a very simple problem to solve. Now, real quick, before we jump into this, everything I'm showing you in this video, including this risk position calculator, is entirely free, okay? The link's in the description. It drops into your TradingView chart within seconds. So grab it now and run these numbers on your own setups as we go. All right, back to it. So this is the official risk position calculator by Easy Trades. Let me show you guys exactly how this works and how simple this is to use. So I mainly trade Nasdaq, or the micro E-mini Nasdaq, otherwise known as MNQ. However, when I'm trading, price moves super fast, right? And I need to calculate my exact contract risk, sometimes within seconds. So let's take this short position from yesterday's trading day. So you see I have a 43-point stop loss. So all I'm going to do here inside of the indicator settings is set my risk amount. So when I'm trading evals using my prop firm system, this number is usually 1500. It's very important that your risk management is on point every single trade. So I set this to 1500. Obviously, I'm trading on MNQ and I press OK. Now this little dashboard in the top right of my screen here will show me exactly how many contracts to risk depending on my stop loss size. So for example, on this trade, I have a 43-point stop loss. So here you can see a 40-point stop loss is nearly 19 contracts and a 45-point stop loss is around 17. This is right in the middle, so 18 contract risk on this trade. So now I am risking exactly $1,500 on this trade here. There's no guessing. All I do is look at this little dashboard on the top right of my screen, and then I can instantly calculate. Here, I'll show you another example on this second trade right here. This is a 50-point stop loss. You can see here a 50-point stop loss is 15 contracts. So when I'm entering on TradeAvate or whatever broker I'm using, I will enter with 15 contracts, knowing that if my trade thesis is invalidated, I am losing exactly 1500. So obviously you can change this depending on your own risk. Maybe you trade on a live account, you risk anywhere from 500 to 1000. I can change the risk right here, and obviously the contract size will change. Now make sure that it's set to MNQ or MES if you trade micros. Most of you guys watching this probably don't trade minis. Minis is the full size contract. So if you trade minis, obviously you can set it to NQ, but for most of you guys, including myself, we are trading on the micro contract, so MNQ. Okay, we also have ES. So if you guys trade the S&P 500, when I'm trading NQ, I'll usually watch ES at the same time. So I can do the same thing here. Let's say I have a 10-point stop loss and I want to be risking $1,000 per trade. So I'll set my risk to $1,000, change it to MES, and I come up here to the dashboard, right? My stop loss is going to be around 10 points. So I'm entering with around 20 micro ES contracts on this trade. All right, so why is this actually important and necessary in your trading? Okay, well, especially if you're trading prop firms, like I said, or if you're using our prop firm system, you guys need to be making sure that your risk is on point every single trade. Over risking and under risking are equally as bad, right? People only talk about over leveraging in your trades, right? Risking more than you should. Well, also, if you're not risking as much as you should based on your system, then it's going to take longer to pass evals. It's going to take longer to be eligible for a payout. So this dashboard shows all of our potential stop losses and points and the exact contracts we use within seconds on your chart. So no more guessing exactly how much to risk or trying to do math in your head within seconds. Just load this indicator up on your chart and you guys will be good. So in this video, we broke down how to size NQ and ES to the exact dollar risk, how to set the calculator up within a few steps, and how to stop blowing prop firm accounts on the one mistake that actually kills accounts, which is inconsistent risk. Again, this is entirely free. So the link for this will be down in the description below and the pinned comment. Drop your email and I'll send you the calculator plus our full risk position guide. The same setup guide we hand to new traders, so you guys can have this up running on your charts within the next 5 minutes. And again, it costs absolutely nothing. Now, once it's on your chart, you'll realize the one thing that is missing. Sizing is only half of the equation. It keeps you in the game, but it doesn't tell you exactly when or where to trade. The other half, the live entries, the setups, I'll walk you through once you've grabbed the calculator. So go grab it. Link is below and pinned. And if this helped you guys, a like and subscribe genuinely means a lot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Set your risk once, stop giving green days back to the market, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video.